Hi, folks. I'm Bob Schrupp, physical therapist.
Brad Heineck,
We're
physical
beyond
therapist.
testing now, Brad. And together we are the most famous physical therapists on the internet.
In our opinion, of course, Bob.
Today we're going to talk about ice therapy for shoulder, knee, or ankle injuries or pain. You know, after you injure a body part, let's say a ligament, muscle, or tendon, the body sends blood cells and fluid to the area to repair the damage.
Sure.
The problem is they send too much, and it becomes almost like a traffic jam. They send too much fluid, and the problem is the cells then can't get the oxygen and can't repair themselves. So you need to use ice to calm things down a little bit, calm that inflammatory process down a little
Right.
bit.
I always think of it as, like an ankle, a sprained ankle, it gets all swollen. And it's actually so swollen you can feel the pressure in there. And it's
It can't do its job.
right. There's
Yeah.
too much pressure we need to get that to relieve.
Right. But by the way, if you're new to our channel, please take a second to subscribe to us. We provide videos on how to stay healthy, fit, pain-free, and we upload every day. Also, you're going to want to join us on our social media platforms. We've got Instagram, official Bob and Brad. We've got Facebook. We're going to be giving away stuff this month again. Lots of stuff, really cool stuff again.
Right, because we're going to have 1 million subscribers.
A million subscribers.
Right.
How do you do that? 1 million subscribers. And also, you don't even know what I'm talking about, do you, Brad?
No.
And then on Twitter, there'll be PT Famous, and we also have our website, Bob and Brad.
Oh, yes.
All right, so what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to get especially for the first couple days when the body's going crazy and sending you too many cells and too many blood cells, you want to get things calmed down. So you're going to want to use an ice pack. We have a video on how to make your own ice pack.
Right, you can do it very easily. You just need a gallon freezer bag, 4 cups of water, 1 cup of rubbing alcohol, and you can make a very nice freezer bag. It costs about $0.25.
Yep, there we go.
They don't work as well as these,
Right.
but they still work very well, so you can look that up also.
So we had Vive, the company, sent us these 3 different ice therapy packs. And these are really nice for 2 reasons. One, they're made for a specific body part.
Yeah.
And we've found like the shoulder is kind of a difficult one to do, isn't it, Brad?
Right. Even, the homemade one, it's kind of wants to slide and fall off the
Right.
shoulder, and you get it trapped behind the chair, and you can get it, but this is
And the same with the knee
easier.
one. This knee one here now, you can actually walk around with it on.
Yeah.
I mean,
Yeah.
you could,
It's got the
it's
really
good.
easily Velcro straps. I've had a number of people with total knees that will purchase one of these for at home specifically for their injury. It's not that expensive,
Yeah.
and it is quite a bit easier to work with.
So again, I've never heard of this company before, but I'm very impressed with their products because they're very well made, but they weren't that expensive. So the shoulder one was the most expensive one. That was $26.99, but the knee one was $17.99.
Yep.
And the ankle one, which Brad has right there, was $19.99. So the packs can actually be warmed up or frozen. I mean, you can put them in the microwave and heat them
Sure.
up. You can take out the packs themselves. There's the little, I guess I could show. Do you want to show it on one of them?
Yeah, you're talking about taking the gel pack
The gel
out.
pad out of there.
Yep.
Or you can throw the whole thing in there. Somebody I saw online said they didn't think these got very cold. These were just sitting out in my car, and they're cold right now, aren't they, Brad?
Right. It's December here, and it's about 40 degrees out there. Right there's one of the gel packs.
So again, I put this in our preferred products because we didn't really recommend an ice pack, and I thought these are really nice, really well made.
Yep.
So you want to go for about 10 to 20 minutes with the ice pack, because after that usually they start to warm up, so you don't have to worry anyway at that point. But after that, your body, if it's getting too cold for too long, your body's going to send even more blood cells and fluid, and you get kind of hyperemia. So you don't want to go too long either with an ice pack. Usually you want to go about to 10 to 20 minutes. But ice pack, also if you don't have an injury but you just have pain, it's going to help dull the messages going to the brain. So that's why ice always feels good after you've had some type of, if you have a painful injury. Some people don't like it on arthritis because it's cold.
Right.
But for a lot of chronic pain patients, they might use ice every day.
Sure.
There's really no problem with that. So
I did have one person with real bad knee arthritis, and she preferred cold packs.
I've had that too.
So it happens. Everyone's a little different.
Yeah, some people like the cold and stuff. This actually feels really good on my shoulder. What the cool thing about this one, by the way, Brad, you know, in addition, the shoulder one is a little more difficult to put on. I think you're almost going to have help to do
Sure.
it.
Mm-hmm.
I did it last night, but not as well as when you helped me. But it's got a little pump here, so it fills up the air bladder and actually makes it conform to the shoulder even better.
Right, because with a cold pack, you want to have surface area contact.
Yeah, that's working great. It's really
You are looking strong like bull.
There we go. But and then it just releases by pushing down on that.
Yeah.
So,
you could use that for a Halloween thing too. You know.
yeah, like one on each side.
Yeah.
I could like the Incredible Hulk. So
there you go. Two for the price of one.
all right. Thanks for watching, everybody.
Good luck.